Warm welcome to all. I'm Yogeshwari, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science, Autonomous in Coimbatore. Uh, Now I'm taking one small topic is differentiation. The topic name is limit and differentiation and the example problems. So okay, next let us start with the limits. What is limit and the definition? First of all, a limit is defined as a value that a function approaches the output for the given input values. Limits are important in calculus and mathematical analysis and used to define integrals, derivatives and continuity. So second point one, generally the integrals are classified into two types, namely definite and indefinite integrals. For definite integrals, the upper limit and lower limits are defined properly, whereas in indefinite the integrals are expressed without limits and it will be have an arbitrary constant while integrating the function yes. Problems using limit. Example 1. The first of all, find limit x tends to infinity sin x by x. Solution is let x is equal to some 1 by y or y is equal to 1 by x. So that x tends to infinity, which implies y tends to 0, right? So because of that, put the value in x is equal to 0 in y equal to 1 by x, the value is infinity. Otherwise x is equal to 1 by y, put the value y equal to 0 in x is equal to 1 by y, the value is infinite. So x tends to infinite while y tends to 0. So therefore limit x tends to infinite sin x by x. So that is equal to limit y tends to 0 some y into sin 1 by y. Limit y tends to 0 y into limit y tends to 0 sin 1 by y. Because of that, the limits put in separated for y and sin 1 by y. So that is equal to 0. Because of that, y tends to 0, limit 0 is 0 and sin 0 the value is also 0. So that is equal to sin 1 by y. Sin 1 by 0 is an infinite. Sin infinite value is 0. So that is equal to the value of the problem is 0. So next one, find the limit limit n tends to infinite 1 by n square plus 2 by n square plus up to etc. n by n square. Here it is limit n tends to infinite. So 1 by n square up to etc. n by n square. Put the values in we segregate n square all over the set. So first of all, first term is 1 plus 2 plus up to etc. plus n, the whole divided by n square. Then limit n tends to infinite n by 2, the whole n 1 plus up to etc. plus n is n divided by 2 into n plus 1 the whole square divided by n square. So 1 by 2 limit n tends to infinite into n plus 1 by n. Here 1 by 2 limit n tends to infinite 1 plus 1 by n. So that is equal to 1 by infinite is 0. So that is 1 limit n tends to infinite is 1. So 1 into 1 by 2 is 1 by 2 and the sign is infinite is 0 minus. So that is equal to minus infinite minus 1 by 2. So next one, definition for differentiations. Okay, differentiation is the method used to compute the rate of change of function f of x with respect to it in the input x. This rate of change is known as the derivative of f with respect to x. Differentiation in mathematics process of finding the derivative, the rate of change of a function, in contrast to the abstract nature of the theory behind it. The practical technique of differentiation can be carried out by purely algebraic manipulation using three basic derivatives, four rules of operations, and knowledge of how to manipulate functions. So next, differentiate with x to the power 5 with respect to x. Solution given. So here y is equal to x5 on differentiating with respect to first of all 5 into y dash, that means dy by dx is equal to d into x power 5 by dx. So that is equal to x to the power 5 into x to the power 5 minus 1. So that is equal to 5x to the power 4. Therefore d by dx of x to the power 5 is equal to 5x to the power 4. Next, differentiation 10x to the power 10x square with respect to solution y is equal to 10x square. So here y dash is equal to, that means dy by dx. That means dy by dx that is equal to d into 10 into 10x square by dx. So here 2 into 10 into x is equal to 20x. Therefore d into 10x square divided by dx, that is equal to 20x. Differentiate 20x minus 4 plus 9. This is the most important. So the solution is y is equal to, let the function y is equal to 20x minus 4 plus 4 x to the power minus 4 plus 9. So y dash is equal to d into 20x to the power minus 4 plus 9 divided by dx. So d by dx. Okay. So that is equal to, we differentiate separate variables. So 20x to the power minus 4 divided by dx plus d into 9 into dx. So here minus 4 into 20 into x to the power minus 4 minus 1 plus 0. So here minus 80, 8 to the power minus 5. So therefore d into 20x to the power minus 4 plus 9 into dx divided by dx, that is equal to minus 80x minus x to the power minus 5. Rules of differentiation. Name of the rules: constant multiple rule, differentiation rule. Next, d by dx of c constant f of x is equal to c into d by dx of f of x. Sum or a difference rule. So d by dx of f of x plus or minus g of x, that is equal to d by dx of f of x plus or minus d by dx of g of x. Product rule is d by dx of f of x into g of x is equal to f of x into d by dx of g of x plus g of x into d by dx of f of x. So question next, determine the type of function and solve using the appropriate method. Limit x tends to 2 into x square plus 5x plus 6 into 2x square minus 3x. Answer, both the denominator and the numerator are non-zero algebraic polynomials. So we can directly put x is equal to 2. Limit x is equal to 2. Here it is. First one, 2 square plus 5 into 2 plus 6 into 2 into 2 square minus 3 into 2. So that's equal to 4 plus 10 plus 6, that is equal to 20. 8 minus 6, that is 2. So that is equal to 20 divided by 2 is equal to 10. Question, what are the laws of limits in mathematics? Answer, laws of limits. Laws of limits is, first one, constant law. Limit x tends to ak, that is equal to k. Identity law, limit x tends to ax, that is equal to a. The addition law, limit x tends to a f of x plus g of x. Limit x tends to a f of x plus limit x tends to a g of x. The subtraction law, limit x tends to a f of x minus g of x, that is equal to limit x tends to a f of x minus limit x tends to a g of x. So this is most important and very useful videos for you. Thank you so much.